Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little gravel driveway repair. I'm going to be using a tractor with a land plane. Got it all loaded up on the new trailer here, and let me show you what we're doing. So this driveway is all full of weeds, and you can see here there's a huge low spot in the middle, and looks like they've brought some gravel in here at some point. So I'm going to run the land plane over this, get rid of all the weeds, and kind of level this out, and then I'm bringing in more driveway mix to lay on top to give it a nice new surface. So that's it. Here we go. All right, so I'm all done with the first step. Now, if this didn't have such a sag to it, I could just smooth this out a couple more times and it would be good to go. But because it was so low in the middle here, you can see there's a drop down. Well, maybe you can't see, but there's a drop down from the road to the driveway. And it's pretty flat. And then I dropped it down here and dug it all out. So I got to build this back up to the concrete again. And I just used a 6-foot level so that right in the middle here is actually level coming out from the garage to about here, and then tapers up to the road. And then from here in the middle of the garage, it tapers out to that point there where the gravel is in the middle and tapers out towards that tree. So basically there's a little high spot here and water's just gonna go away from the garage rather than into the garage. So yeah, that's about it. This top coat that's coming is driveway mix, which is 1/2-inch stones mixed with stone dust, and give this a nice perfect finish look. I just went along the edge here with a shovel and a rake and smoothed it out. There's a little pile gathered up along there, so as you can see there's that fresh stuff there. Then I went around and picked up any large rocks, like here's another one, thing like that. They just make it really hard for the tractor to smooth it out. So yeah, I'm gonna probably run over it again, smooth it out again, try to pack down this base layer so that when I get the new fresh stuff, I don't really disturb this. I just want to spread it out over top of this, and yeah, that'll be it. All right, so I'm all done here. I'm not exactly sure when the battery died, but here it is. 6 yards all smoothed out. I had a little trouble getting it to slope away from the driveway here. Unfortunately, the garage is much lower than the road, so it still has to have a dip in it so that the water doesn't just rush into the garage. But using my 6-foot level, I was able to do that, so it's tapered out from the garage and then tapers out to each side. So that's it. I use my broom to sweep off the cement there and also sweep off by the road. Get a nice clean edge all the way around. Looks pretty good. Now it just needs a good rainstorm and to be driven on a bunch, and I'll pack right down. Alright, so I got the tractor all loaded up, heading to the next job. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the land plane and the tractor and all that, and maybe you got some tips for me. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.